What spurred on the decision to do HP Trackers 2.0?
Good question. I actually found one of the old ones because we weren't taking orders for those either. And I found it, and then I found the old case full of hardware. I'm like, is there a different way that we could do this? And then rolled out a bunch of designs, started playing with them. We've been kind of transitioning more to laser work. These are fun because I get to make them when I come in on the weekend. I like making stuff. This is the latest iteration of HP Trackers. We've done them a little more robust, with more variety.
And a little easier to use on the GM screens too, because they'll hang vertically on the magnets on the back. So this will attach to the magnet, and then you'll be able to use them vertically as opposed to this way when you get a little bit of rocking on the old style.
Yeah. So kind of working on 4-packs now. I want an exotic wood 4-pack and kind of a more toned down 4-pack.
These all old designs? We got some new designs in here?
All of them are new. So the older ones were sculpted, and these we shifted to engraving because we can get better shapes. So with the laser we can get organic shapes, and there's a ton over there you can look at that the shapes feel more like class specific to me, like they feel more individualized, where before it was just they're all the same shape with a different kind of surface texture. So I think I can do these. And we've got, in October, we've got a Halloween pack, 4-pack, so like skulls, skeletons, coffin, something else. What was the other? Oh, pumpkins. Stacked up pumpkins. Well, we're going to do it in wood species that match those 4 things. So that will be cool. I think with these guys, we generally are going to keep these in stock only, unless it's like super special order. My battery's dead. My favorite part is putting these together, and I think, some of the office staff, I kind of commandeer them and get them to put them together, and they really enjoy it. So I'm pleased. Like, it's fun. There's like little small things that you get to screw in, and I love just like this morning I went into Madison's office and I'm like, hey, a new box of trackers, let's put them together, and she was so excited to just be part of that.
I feel like I've moved past it. Had a really good session with my therapist about it, so just on the road to healing, but it's definitely behind me. I try not to think about it too much. It's still a little tender, but definitely on the road to healing.
Hey, what are we doing, guys?
Hell.
Suffering?
Putting these things together.
I'm in hell.
Put these lovely HP trackers together.
What is it called when you have to
Purgatory?
do good deeds to make up for bad deeds?
Suffering.
Purgatory?
Repentance, yeah.
Catholicism?
Repentance.
What are you repenting for, Madison? You didn't even ask me if you wanted me to put them together. If I wanted to put them together. No one asked me what I wanted to do. I wanted to sit there and answer emails, but no! I had to do HP trackers. Madison, remember when you were gonna filibuster the meeting so that I wouldn't have to do this?
Shh, you just told them my plan. Still gonna do it. Still gonna filibuster. Filibusting my ass doing these HP trackers. Am I right?
People can leave a filibuster, right?
No.
As long as the one person filibustering is there.
No.
I'm pretty sure that's true.
No. I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to leave.
Yeah.
The lengths I went to really keep it from happening, to delay it, I knew it was inevitable. know, Brian, if you wanted to help.
I've got a meeting at 10 o'clock.
Oh man, me too.
And
you can finish these, right?
video.
Nope.
But I just had to try. Maybe I could save us. Or one of us.
Yeah, the fun part about it is these is they move really quickly and we come up with ideas and we can execute on them fast and they're kind of exciting. And we've got some Halloween ones coming with some new designs and new bundles. So keep your eyes on the stock page because I'll generally be here Sunday, Monday when no one else is here making these like crazy. And then we'll drop them on Wednesdays and Fridays. So check it out.